What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Welcome to the October Halloween edition of Unboxing Police Car Goodies. Alright, so let's go to box number 1. There will be a link in the description of where you can get these boxes. Beware of Wife, California Republic patch, and I am including this Federal Signal Condor red mirror light. Let me demonstrate it really fast. Super duper bright. That just hurt my eyes. Okay. Kenwood radio. Motorola MCS 2000. You can program this to listen to fire, police, and all that good stuff. A Glock 17. Fully licensed 4th generation Glock airsoft pistol. This is the real deal, guys. Fully licensed. This thing is badass. An autograph. I will autograph this. I will engrave it. The winner of the last video's handcuffs will be announced in the next search video. Crown Rick Auto embroidered thin blue line patch. Ooh, check this out. A Santa Cruz gun lock with the bottom piece that goes with it. So this attaches to partitioner and this attaches to the partitioner. It's rare you get both, so it's here. I'm also gonna give you my favorite car scent, cotton candy. Ah, smells like childhood. An antenna. This is a power tie, premium tie down restraint thing. You know, if you need to restrain criminals or your friend, whatever. A map light. I will include this buck knife USA. Ford's emblem. For the gun lock, I also include this Show Me gun lock timer, so you could have the whole setup. You could also use this for this Pinot Police Department pencil. This is just some of the stuff that will be in here. I'm gonna fully stuff this thing. I might even throw a spider in there since it's Halloween. It might jump out at you. Not my fault if it bites you though. All right, moving on to box number 2. Information. Caution low flying aircraft. Embossed metal sign. I will include the Taser Strike. Woo. This is the real deal, guys. This is not no cheap taser gun that you see out there. This is the actual taser by the Taser company. This is heavy duty, serious stuff. I will also include these lights right here. Let me turn them off for you and demonstrate. Look at that. Beautiful. My neighbors are probably like, what the heck is going on over there? They already think I'm a weirdo. Puck antenna. Motorola CS 2000 with the speaker to go with it. An antenna. Sound off relay flasher. It's red and blue lighting system that goes in the grill of your car. This pouch, but I will remove these. Can't mail that. I'll get in trouble and you'll get in trouble. A cotton candy air freshener. An iPod 16 gigabytes full of cop tunes. Some random knives. A amber light. Federal Signal mic. some burner phones. And of course, I'm going to stuff it with more. I'm going to make it more Halloweeny. So, yeah. Moving on to box number 3. I just love doing that. You get a mini funny man. This will have a Motorola MCS 2000 also. Sound off relay flasher. I will throw in this autograph dash light, red and blue dash light. I will fill this thing up with random stuff. I got some red and blue light bar lights. Throw in some knives. Might even throw this classic cop car right here. Handcuffs with keys. Don't want to spoil too much, so we'll move on to box number 4. Is a Motorola CS2000. This is slightly a different kind right here. It's got the wiring and the mic. Red and blue LED lights by Wheelin. Let me demonstrate these for you. There goes the blue. Now it's time for the red. Super bright and cool. So that is in box number 4. Also include handcuffs and keys. This solar car cooler. It works. Some lighting. TTO converter. I'm not sure what this is, but I pulled it off a K9 unit. Also a relay flasher for your lights, your headlights. Might even try to squeeze this in there. Federal Signal Corporation TS100. So yeah, so here's a basic sneak peek of what's going to be in these mystery boxes. I have boxes of more stuff over there, outside, everywhere. All right, so mystery boxes go out on the 15th. Buy it now. I want to give a shout out to Bob, Tyler, and Robbie from Rhode Island. They are huge fans of the channel. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And also a huge shout out to my channel members. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. Your support is what keeps this channel running. Thank you guys so much. I will be making a members only video coming up this week. So stay tuned. It will be in your community tab. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you very soon. Peace.